Aren't they worried about damaging the lawn? Actually, this is a very common lawn maintenance technique. The purpose is to help the lawn achieve its optimal condition. By spreading sand, you can not only improve soil structure, but also fill in uneven areas, making the lawn look more uniform and beautiful. Of course, this process requires proper technique. If done incorrectly, the results might be counterproductive. Typically, before spreading sand, workers will first mow the lawn to prevent the grass from being too long and affecting sand penetration. Then they need to aerate the lawn, creating holes. This step is crucial as it allows air, water, and nutrients to better penetrate to the grass roots. Next, fine sand is evenly spread across the lawn, ensuring uniform coverage. If the sand is applied too thickly, it might harm a lawn, so this step requires special care. Finally, water and maintain the lawn for about 2 weeks. After this special treatment, the lawn will become as smooth and fresh as new.